Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am so excited for this deep dive because we're talking about something that could seriously change your content game.
Oh, yeah, this is a big one.
I mean, seriously, imagine creating amazing content in like half the time you usually spend.
Sounds pretty good, right?
It does. And that's exactly what we're looking at today. We've got this script all about AI for content creation and promotion.
It's packed with useful tips and tricks. I mean, some of these are just mind-blowing.
Yeah, so let's break it down. Basically, the script focuses on two main things. First, making the content itself.
Right?
And then getting it out there to the right people.
Promotion.
Exactly. Now, for the creation part, the script is all about ChatGPT.
Ah, ChatGPT. You've probably heard about it.
Oh, yeah. It's everywhere these days.
It's that AI tool that can basically write you a whole blog post in minutes.
I know. It's kind of crazy. And then on the promotion side, the script recommends tools like Buffer and Hootsuite.
Tried those.
I've heard of them, but I'm not super familiar.
Well, what's really interesting is that these tools, they're not just like trendy tech things, you know?
Right.
They actually solve real problems that content creators face like every single day.
I can imagine.
Like take ChatGPT, for instance. You're sitting there staring at a blank screen, you know?
Ugh, worst.
Total writer's block. The deadline's coming up.
I've been there.
And then boom, ChatGPT swoops in to save the day. It's like your digital brainstorming buddy. You give it some basic info about your topic, and it suggests like fresh angles, catchy headlines, even full outlines for blog posts or video scripts.
That's seriously impressive. So that's ChatGPT for creating the content.
Yeah.
But what about Buffer and Hootsuite? Where do they fit in? They sound a bit more, I don't know, technical?
They are a bit more on the technical side, but in a good way.
Okay, good.
Think of them like your personal social media assistants. Buffer and Hootsuite help you schedule your posts across like all your different social media platforms.
So you don't have to do it manually.
Exactly. And it makes sure your content goes live at the best possible time to reach the most people.
So it's all about maximizing your reach.
And the best part? It's all automated. So you can literally set it and forget it. Think about all the time you'll save by not having to post everything manually.
That is a huge time saver.
Huge.
Now, the script also mentions Google Analytics, and I have to admit, I always find that a bit intimidating, all those numbers and graphs.
Yeah. It can seem a little overwhelming at first.
It does.
But honestly, it's not as scary as it looks. Think of Google Analytics like a compass for your content strategy.
Okay, a compass.
Yeah, it tells you what's working, what's not, and who's actually engaging with your content.
So you can see which posts are getting the most clicks.
Exactly. You can see where your audience is coming from and even track things like how many people are signing up for your email list or buying a product after reading your content.
Wow, so you can actually see what's leading to conversions.
That's the power of Google Analytics. You get these real insights into how people are interacting with your content.
So it's about using that data to adjust your strategy, right? Like if you notice one type of content is doing really well, you create more of that.
You got it. It's all about fine-tuning and optimizing based on what the data's telling you.
Makes sense.
And here's where it gets even cooler. You can actually connect your Google Analytics data to tools like Buffer and Hootsuite.
Really?
Yeah. So you can see how your scheduled posts are performing and make adjustments on the fly.
Wow, so you can like constantly optimize your content.
Precisely. It's like having this super-powered content creation machine.
This is amazing.
But hold on. There's a key point the script makes.
Okay.
We can't forget about the human element.
Right.
AI is a tool to enhance our creativity, not to replace it.
Totally.
Our unique voice, our perspective, our understanding of our audience, those are the things that make our content special. You know?
Make it human.
Exactly. AI is here to help us work smarter, not harder. It takes care of the tedious stuff so we can focus on what we do best.
I love that. So what does all this mean for our listeners?
Yeah.
Well, this script is a clear sign that AI is changing the content game big time.
It really is.
It's offering these incredible tools to streamline creation and promotion and potentially save us a ton of time.
Time we can use to focus on other things.
Exactly. And just like the script suggests, the best way to learn is to experiment.
Dive right in.
Yeah. Play around with ChatGPT, explore Buffer and Hootsuite, get comfortable with Google Analytics. Who knows? You might just unlock a whole new level of content creation you never thought possible.
And as you're exploring, think about this. How can you best use the power of AI to enhance your own creative process and achieve your content goals?
That's a great question.
Remember, the future of content is here, and it's full of possibilities. And if you're as excited about the potential of AI as we are, be sure to subscribe to The Deep Dive for more insights like this.
See you next time.